Hi, I'm Terry from Mr. Locksmith South Surrey. I'm a third-generation locksmith. I was lucky. My granddad, dad, uncle, all locksmiths. I grew up playing with locks. I have a BA honors in criminology from Simon Fraser University, which comes in handy when I'm looking at the crime in neighborhoods and what's going on. So if you need your locks rekeyed, change your locks, upgrade your locks, especially your deadbolts to higher security, give us a call. We have lots of suggestions that will work for you. If you have a commercial property, a business, a warehouse, lots of ideas how to increase the security in your building. Just simple ideas. And it works for residential too. Boy, we're seeing a lot of break-ins on garage doors and overhead doors. In the track on your garage door, the track on each side, just above the roller, you can put a bolt in or drill a hole above the roller. And what I really like to do is have a padlock. So we key the padlock, same as your house. We put it on the garage door, install it in the rollers. It really slows down the burglars from forcing that door open. So if that spring is broken, you got a problem with your garage door motor, we have spare parts for everything and usually can get it fixed the same day. And with usually one trip, come out there, get it all done. Or we can come out there, give you a quote, give you a price, and then fix it whenever you want. Full automotive locksmith service. If you've lost the keys to your car or motorcycle, transport truck, we can come out on site. We can cut and program a key. You don't have to take it to the dealer and waste a day. We can come to you and do it. So if you need a locksmith in South Surrey, give us a call at Mr. Locksmith.